Rhea, you ready to do some fencing? Ready to do some fencing? You gotta hop in the vehicle. Up, up, up. Good girl. Okay, watch your tail. Watch your tail. Get your tail there. Hey, Jingle Dog. Come here, Rhea. Come here. Let's see your fit. Wow. Orange jacket. Red bell. Looking good, Rhea. Looking good. Working hard, Rhea? Come on, Rhea. We're over here. Watch out for the ant pop. Okay. Okay, you got stuck, Rhea. Come on. Watch out. Come here, Rhea. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Look at that butt. Big old fluffy butt. Rhea, you having fun out here? Having a good time fencing? Is this your stick? This is it. That's the one. Well, she got stuck in the fence. So now she's not a safe dog. Doing some spring water. Oh, she comes back with a stick. A stick? Wow. That's a nasty one. That's disgusting. Grab it. Look at that tongue. You got a dirty tongue, Mia. Come here's a dirty stick. Throw it in the spring. Someone found a real beauty stick, right, Rhea? You gonna bring it up the hill? You're coming? Oh wow, you can take an eye out with that one. What's going on over here? Yeah. Is this really necessary, Rhea? We're over here just peacefully fixing fences. And then she's over there making her own work. You feel like this stick needs to be made into a fence post, Rhea? Sure looks like you like it. You just need to take a break for once in your life. Yeah, you can't just work all day. Sometimes you need a break. You're looking pretty tired, Rhea. Should you say goodbye?